Alright, here we have a 2008. These are same all the way up to 2012. When we remove the carburetors, what you want to do is get all of the easy stuff out of the way. You gotta take off the choke cable, which is right here. See it? You're gonna loosen up and take off your throttle cable right there, and then we'll get to that a little later. Okay. Well, when you're taking off this bracket, remember that there's an Allen right here. It's kind of hard to see. Go ahead and take that Allen out. What I do is I try to put the screws back where they belong. I'll show you. Okay, I'll loosen the. You got 3 holding down. Well, actually, you got 4 holding down the battery box. So, what I meant by screwing in all of your screws, try to screw them back in to where they belong, so that you don't have to guess when you have to put it all back together. Take the battery box. This is my battery tender leads, just so that you don't get all confused. Okay, here we go. Alright, go ahead and unplug this. You just push down on the little release tab and it'll come right out. And then right there is an Allen. It holds this. I don't know if you can see it, but it holds this wire. So kind of like a wire holder. Go ahead and take that out so you don't damage the wire. Basically, the only screw that holds this on is the one that's right down here. Allen should be free flowing. There's a little slide in. You can see it right. See how it slides in there. Okay. There's not going to be enough room inside here. Right here. See? So this is gonna have to be dropped. Don't forget to take out this line right here. It's a T, and what it is it's a vacuum line. It goes right there on your carb. See it? So one goes to the tank, not tank. Excuse me. One goes, the short one, the long one goes to the petcock, providing you vacuum, giving you fuel. The other one goes to the carburetor, providing vacuum. So that's a vacuum right there, sucking. Okay, so I'm going to take the rear fairing off. I'm going to drop this lower, so we can get some. You know what? Wait, let me see. Okay, there's 2 screws, one on each side. They kind of look like this. Kind of hard to see, actually. You go right here. There's 2 of them. One is behind the other foot peg, passenger foot peg, should I say? And once you get that out, the air box is free to flow. So the carburetor should come right out. This is the air filter, bro. Wow. This thing is total, was being sucked all into the carb. Oh my gosh. Anyway. Now let me show you guys a little trick. I seen this other guy do it. But go ahead and unscrew your intake manifold from the bike. And just pull the carburetor out slowly. You can't do it with one hand, but you get the idea. Okay, aloha. Alright, it looks better than I thought it was gonna look. Nice and clean in the bowl. The bowls are cherry. So I know now that my problem is that these jets are plugged. So my symptoms were hard starting, Hard braking, engine would die. Just running crappy. So I bought some jets from eBay. I'm gonna put stage 1 stock jets back in. I can clean these out, but yeah, I didn't put any money into this bike, so I'm gonna invest some jets. Soak it in Berryman's overnight, and we'll see.